Hi there, students. Apoplectic, an adjective. Apoplectically, the adverb. You can also use the adjective apoplectical, but that's really quite unusual. Okay, if somebody is apoplectic, they are absolutely furious. Yeah, they are really, really angry. So this is a great word to use instead of angry. Don't say angry or very angry, say apoplectic. He was absolutely, notice absolutely, apoplectic about the situation. When my dad discovered that I'd crashed his car, he was apoplectic. Yeah, my mum's going to be apoplectic when she finds out the truth of what happened. Furious, mad, really, really, really angry. Yeah, he was apoplectic with rage. This is quite a common collocation. Apoplectic with rage. Okay, let's see. Apoplectic. This is related to apoplexy. Okay, apoplexy is an old-fashioned word for a stroke or a blood clot in the brain. But we don't use it like that nowadays. But it's so angry that their brain explodes. Well, that's the idea. Okay, so extremely angry, extreme anger, absolute fury. He was apoplectic. He was boiling mad. He was fuming. He was infuriated, incensed, enraged. I was livid, incandescent. I was beside myself. Okay. To get apoplectic, to become apoplectic, to grow apoplectic. Grow, I don't know. I think apoplectic, it's sudden. Yeah, the boss was apoplectic when he discovered we'd lost the contract. Okay, so if somebody's apoplectic, they are absolutely furious. Yeah, he was apoplectic when he heard about what had happened. Okay, remember, it's an absolute, utterly apoplectic, totally apoplectic. Very apoplectic, I wouldn't use very. It's not a gradable, it's an absolute extreme. So what things make you apoplectic, make you furious? Okay, so let's see, formality. Apoplectic. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but I would say you could use it anywhere. Yeah, so use it informally, semi-formally, and formally. And then as to origin, well, as I said, it comes from apoplexy, a stroke, but this actually comes from Latin, apoplexia, which comes from Greek, apoplexia, paralysis. Yeah, apo, away from, and I think plexi, to bend, so unable to move, to apoplexic, or apoplexeo, to cripple by a stroke. Okay, and that's the idea of it. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you're apoplectic, you can give it a thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Apoplectic.